Feel the power. Okay. Testing, testing. So we're gonna start draining all the fluids out of this engine, that way we can start tearing it down. Okay, so we're gonna take out this air filter, and it's a big pain. I'm just dripping around. And we're gonna also start throwing sockets around the garage. When it gets slow going, start throwing sockets. I'm assuming that they're metric, but I'm not sure on that. Okay, so,
No, I wanted to do it one time. It doesn't matter the one time left.
Right. We're gonna try using a little bit of this to add on to this. So, but first, I want to try this. Good heavens, that is something right there. Did it just... Ladies and gentlemen,
we got him.
It broke my ratchet.
Stupid Harbor Freight.
Welcome to episode 2 of the bike rebuild. By taking off this skid plate and then start taking apart. The reason I want to get the skid plate off is that way I can more easily drain the oil, and I don't really want to. Why? Just why? First off, we got a few 8mm bolts right there, and we'll get you guys set up to see that here right now. We'll get you zoomed into that bolt, which is the next bolt to. Appears to also have the same problem. If it wants to focus. No? Okay. Is the autofocus off or something? Okay, so here's the nut. Maybe I can...
Huh?
There it is. Can't really see it too well. Okay, so this is pretty much turned nightmare scenario. The bolt is, well, the nut's fine. The bolt where the nut is sitting is stripped. I don't want to have to cut this bolt. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and hit it with this hammer and that is not good. Like again, I keep saying that, the cheese is always among us. I'm just going to pull off this front wheel. There we go. And good grief, the whole thing's about to come down. Yeah, if you want, you can take it off. But
Change the battery pack.
how much do you have?
I don't know, it's charging though.
See if it'll get around stuff. Worst case, just keep it right there. Keep a steady hand.
Oh, it's one right there.
I'm just gonna try and keep that in there, and I need to really get this stuff off my hands because it is dangerous stuff. Right now, I'm the only thing that's holding this thing up. I'm actually gonna have Guido come and help me, make sure that these forks don't drop, Again, just a forked boot. So he'll hold the bottom here. So we're gonna get a view up top of that. Oh, shoot, I covered it up with my other hand. So, while he films that one spot, so you can get a great look at what is going on. And now we need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm just gonna cut to that. Okay, now we gotta take off the skill switch. I finally found this after excruciating several weeks of looking for the screwdriver that is now missing again. It fell into the void. Okay, today is another day. I got Guido back in the camera, so that's gonna make my life a lot easier. I'm pulling it from this other side. It's as simple as that. You got this washer that was on there that just decided to fall off. Put that in there also. If I could have a 12mm fall from the sky, that would be great right about now. So, in order to do this, we do a little thing called the snap. Watch this. This is the craziest thing you've ever seen, and I know that that's true of you. And I'm not really going to worry about it, but we are going to take this off. Those are a little tight, just a little bit.
I would like to tell you what I just saw.
Huh?
There are two spacers right here. One is sitting like that, and one is sitting like that for a long time. Because it has an imprint in the dirt. And this one is sitting right there.
Okay, so Guido has found something. What did you find?
Well, you can tell there's these two little spacers in here, and I don't know what they're doing here, but they were trapped between the engine and the skid plate, and they have clearly been in here for a long time because all the dirt is still in there. I have no idea what these are doing or what they're for, but they're in there for something.
Hear that, folks? We have a mystery on our hands. Somebody call Scooby-Doo, because this is a problem.